Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in my channel. In this video, we have a very beautiful exponential challenge to solve. We are given a raised to power b minus b raised to power a is equal to 17. Many people run away from problems like this because we have two unknown variables but one equation. Since we have two unknown variables, we are supposed to be given two equations. So how are we going to solve problems like this? This video will adopt a step-by-step approach to solution of this problem. Problems like these are called Diophantine equations, and if we are solving for real solutions, we are going to have infinite number of solutions. However, in this video, we are going to be solving for integer values. When I say integer, I mean whole numbers. Solution. So what are we going to do? The first thing we'll do is to raise the power of both terms in the left-hand side to 2 and still divide that power by 2. So what I have is a raised to power b all raised to power 2 divided by 2 minus b raised to power a all raised to power 2 divided by 2 is equal to 17. These terms are still the same with the original terms in the equation. Now the next thing I'm to do is to move this 1 over 2, power 1 over 2 inside. So I have a raised to power b over 2 raised to power 2 minus b raised to power a over 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 17. What I applied here is this law in indices. X raised to power m times n is equal to x raised to power m n. Now to proceed, what I have in this equation is basically difference of two squares. And then if I have difference of two squares, x raised to power 2 minus y raised to power 2, which is difference of two squares, it can be expanded into x plus y times x minus y. But I am going to let x be equal to a raised to power b over 2 and y be equal to b raised to power a over 2. Now, what I have is x squared minus y squared is equal to 17. And applying this expansion of difference of two squares, what I have is x plus y times x minus y is equal to 17. The next thing I will do is to express 17 as a product of two factors. 17 is a prime number. The factors of 17 are 17 and 1. So x plus y times x minus y is equal to 17 times 1. We all know that x plus y is greater than x minus y, as 17 is greater than 1. Therefore, I'll equate this term to 17 and this term to 1. So it becomes x plus y is equal to 17 and x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I am going to add these two equations together. If I'm adding them, I'll have 2x then plus y minus y is 0 is equal to 17 plus 1 will give us 18. Divide both sides by 2 and I will have x is equal to 9. Let us recall that x is a raised to power b over 2. Therefore, a raised to power b over 2 is equal to 9. To clear this fraction, I have to square both sides. Squaring both sides, I have a raised to power b over 2 times 2 is equal to 9 raised to power 2. Therefore, a raised to power b is equal to 81. 81 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 4. Therefore, a raised to power b is equal to 3 raised to power 4. That means a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. How can we check if this solution is correct? We can do that by subtracting both sides of the equation. If I subtract these two equations, what I'll have is this and this will cancel out because x minus x will give us 0, and therefore x minus times minus, which is plus y will give us 2y equals to 17 minus 1 is 16. Therefore, y is equal to 8. Let us also remember that y is equal to b raised to power a over 2. Therefore, b raised to power a over 2 is equal to 8. Now squaring both sides, b raised to power a is equal to 8 raised to power 2. And b raised to power a is equal to 64 because 8 to power 2 is 64. I can express 64 as 4 raised to power 3. Therefore, b raised to power a is 4 raised to power 3. Again, a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 4. If you are still not convinced that a equals to 3 and b equals to 4 is the solution, let us back substitute 3 for a and 4 for b in the original equation. So it becomes 3 raised to power 4 minus 4 raised to power 3 is 8 equal to 17. 3 to power 4 is 81. 4 to power 3 is 64. Yes, it is equal to 17 because 81 minus 64 is 17. Therefore, A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. Please like this video if you find it interesting. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And also leave a comment in the comment section. I would also like you to share this video. It is important that you note that sharing is an act of love and love doesn't cost a thing. Thank you very much for watching and see you in another video.